Welcome to VideoCulinary. I am Daniela. Today, Grandma Emma and I are going to make a Thousand Island dressing. Peel, wash, and small dice one medium-sized onion. Finely mince 40 grams of pickles or add 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish. Finely chop 1 hard-boiled egg and add to the onion and pickles. Add a crushed clove of garlic, 350 milliliters of mayonnaise, 50 milliliters of ketchup, 100 milliliters of sweet chili sauce, half a teaspoon of Tabasco or to taste, a pinch of ground black pepper and half a teaspoon of salt. Add the juice of half a lemon and mix everything well. Thousand Island dressing is ready. Serve it with a green salad, vegetable salad, as a dip or with seafood. Thank you so much for joining us. Enjoy!